Hello guys, welcome back to Jacob's World. In today's video, we are unboxing the Ghosty Lankybox Mystery Egg. Look at this, guys. It includes a ghosty egg, a mystery figure, micro figure, and stickers. Wow, I can't believe this. Wow. Look, there's a Foxy, a 2D Foxy. This. Wow, glow in the dark. Ooh, let's see about that. See, not that big of a deal. It's actually pretty cool, though. Let's see what's inside. What? They got stickers? Whoa. I'm gonna place these on my wall. What else do they got? How do I even open this thing? So we did get the whole box open. Hang on, my dad's gonna help. Okay, my dad's coming to help. Thanks, Dad. Okay, my dad helped. Let's see what's inside. Wow! Is there a ghosty? Let's see what's inside. Wow! Who is this guy?
He's a robot. A robot Foxy.
Whoa, it's a mini Rocky!
Mini Rocky.
And what else? Oh, you're gonna love this, Jocelyn! I got the big shark!
It's the another one sticker.
These are all gonna go on my wall. Yeah, I finally got them. Hang on, I'll be right back. I'm gonna go cut them open. Oh, my little sunshine. Hey, what would you like to eat, buddy? Hang on. Here, I brought popsicles.
It's nothing.
Let's go open up the mini drawer. Whoa, Jocelyn.
So I'm gonna go to Macy's later and go look for something to wear. Forget it. I'm gonna buy the most funniest outfit I can find, okay?
Wow! We even got a robot figure?
What?
Whoa! You can actually spin him! And we got a mini Rocky, but he's red. And we got a mini thick shark! Wow, I think I'm gonna place these all in my room.
You're so Romeo.
Yep. And I'm gonna place the whole Ghosty Mystery Egg in my room. I'm gonna figure out how to close this thing. Now, finally got it closed. Okay guys, if you enjoyed this video, please smash the like button and subscribe. Don't forget to link in the pinned comments. Bye!